Hi there, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another episode of Yarn Shopping on a Budget. So I am in a Facebook group, Canadian Crocheting. I'm not sure exactly, I just started joining it now. And I read that they have some new additions to our Dollarama. So what do? I go out and run to Dollarama, of course. Do I need more yarn? No, but they have Truboo, so I thought I don't have any Truboo. Well, I'm going to buy some Truboo. Came in two colors. So first I'm going to show you a little bit of the yarn aisle in Dollarama so you can see what they have. I checked the prices elsewhere just to make sure because there was some Premier anti-pilling acrylic yarn and I found that for the price it was, I really didn't need it. It didn't seem like it was that much less than if I purchased it elsewhere. So I left that, but I found some, being the Truboo and one other, that I thought, yeah, that's a good value. So I purchased some for my stash. So let's go shopping and then I will show you what I bought. Okay, so that was a small shopping trip. I don't typically spend a lot of time in Dollarama, but I do enjoy it. And I was excited to see that there were some name brand yarns. But like I said, I just looked and purchased what I felt was good value. So first I bought 3 of these Lion brand Hometown USA yarns. 3 skeins, it's what they had. I know that they're going to be getting more in, so if I need more, I can purchase them. They were $4.25, and I thought that was a good value for this yarn. This is a 6 bulky weight yarn, super bulky. It is 100% acrylic. Let's see, 100% acrylic. And it looks like, yes, it's machine washable and dryable. It is 64 yards. So I thought it's so soft. I thought it would really be nice to make a hat, a cowl, something nice. That could be nice for a man's hat as well. I thought it was very cozy, even for a nice scarf with some coordinating yarn. It could be combined. You can see this is like a heathered yarn, I guess. It's got the 2 colors of the darker brown and that golden beige color. So I thought it was neutral and nice. So I bought the 3 of those, and then I bought Truboo. It only came in 2 colors and it's summery, but there's always next summer. It came in this bright pink and this gorgeous orange. So actually I'm not an orange lover, but I love this shade of orange, which looks brighter in this lighting. I can turn off the light for a moment and probably give you a better idea. That's probably more true to the color. But anyways, I'm brightening myself up. So these were $4 each, and I thought that's a good value for Truboo and probably discontinued colors. So anything that you find in Dollarama, it's going to be end of line, it's going to be discontinued, whatever the distributor is trying to clear out, which is fine because the price, it's Dollarama, it's not going to be $1. And I have heard other people in other provinces pay less than $4, but in my Dollarama, it was $4, and I still felt that was a good deal. So I bought 10 of the pink and 5 of the orange, and I was hemming and hawing because I never know how much I'm going to need. But I thought these colors combine well. I just like that kind of like sorbet or sherbet combination. I just love that. It's so fun for the summer. So I decided to purchase those. So Trubu, if you don't know, it's 100% rayon from bamboo. It is a Lion brand yarn, considered a 3-weight, and it is 220 meters or 241 yards. It's a 100 gram skein or 3.5 ounces. And it is machine wash cool, gentle cycle, lay flat to dry. So nice for a drapey summer garment, and that's what I was going for. I know that summer is pretty much over, going into the cooler months, but that's when you get the clearances. So I was fine with that, and I at this time did not have any Trubu in my stash, really wanted it. And these may have not been my first choice of colors, but I actually do like them. I think they're fun. So that's what I bought on this Dollarama shopping trip. And I thought both were good value. Let me know what you think of the colors, of the prices. You're always going to find sales. I'm a sucker for those sales. And invariably I find other sales and I'm a sucker for those sales. And it's just goes on and on and on. But I love when I use my yarn and make beautiful things because A, I've got beautiful things, and B, I made more space on my shelf for more yarn. So I've recently made a big fluffy cardigan. If you haven't seen that video, that was my last one. I will link you to it. Take a look at that. I've made some designer inspired fashions as well. Used a little yarn there. And now I'm ready for putting more yarn in those spots where there's yarn missing. There aren't that many, but I will find them. I'll always find room for more yarn. So that is it. That was a small haul, but hey, small haul, big value. That's always good. Well, that's it for now. Have a great evening. Have a great day. Happy crocheting. And put your comments below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. I'm going to have a designer inspired hat tutorial coming up. I just have to put that together. Nice things coming up in the future, so please stick around and I will try to bring you great content. Thanks for being here, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.